Oh, it stopped. What you doing? Are you dancing? Yeah, my music was on. Dance, dance, dance. Shake your butt. Alessandra, shake your butt. Yeah. Are you tap dancing? No, that's wet. Can you give the phone a kiss? Give it kisses. Come here. Give Bella kisses. Give her a kiss. No, no. Bubbles? Oh, you want Papa? Get the ball. Get the ball. Uh-oh. Get it. Bella's over here drinking the water. This is my garage, everybody, just so you know. This is their garage. I don't know if you can see that there's a car in there. It's too dark for me to tell. That's my hand. I don't know. But give Bella kisses. Can I have the ball? Give me the ball. No. Alessandra Amelia. Bella, come here. No, it's all gone. All gone. Tap dancing. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Not in the water. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. No, over here. You're gonna get dizzy. Ooh, no, not on the pavement. Not on the pavement. No, no, no. Not on the pavement. She just started doing somersaults, just so you guys know. And she loves to do it. And she was just about to try it on the pavement. That would have hurt her head. See how nice it is outside? Yeah, her outfit. We went on a play date this morning, and her outfit was according to the weather this morning, not this afternoon. Right now, like, she could be in shorts and a shirt. It wouldn't matter. But she's in long sleeves and pants. So, what you doing, sweetie? Are you pushing your wagon? We just got back from a walk. Maybe next time I'll video us walking. It's long, because it's about a 3-mile walk. We do about every day. Bella sitting like a big girl. Bella. Bella. Hi, thank you. Ready? Let's see who will get there first. Ready? Get it, Alessandra. Get it. Alessandra, she usually runs after it. Get Bella. The house is almost... The outside's pretty much done, other than, like, I mean, it's built, the outside. And then their house is over there. I don't know if you can see it. Not really. Oh, look, the sun came out. Give it to me, Alessandra. No, not that. Bring it to me. There's Papa. Papa. Look how she's riding on it. Bella. Alessandra. Who is that? Alessandra? Alessandra. Alessandra. Pull Papa. Wow. Oh, she's riding on it. So good. Yay! Sit down. Sit down. Papa. Ah, bye-bye. Sit down. Sit down. Oh. Bye-bye. Oh.